In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for bots in Telegram. If you're new to Telegram bots, think of them as mini apps inside Telegram that can provide weather updates, games, reminders, translation, and much more. Today, we'll keep it simple and focus on the fastest way to find them using Telegram's built-in search. First, open Telegram on your device. This works the same whether you're on mobile, desktop, or the web version. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet so results load quickly. If your interface looks different, don't worry. Telegram updates its design from time to time, but the search option is always easy to get to. Next, tap or click the search bar at the top of the screen. On mobile, you'll usually see a magnifying glass icon at the top of your chat list. On desktop, it's typically at the top left. On the web version, it's usually at the top of the sidebar. Once you tap into it, Telegram will expand the search field and start offering suggestions as you type. Now type a keyword or the name of the bot you're looking for. For example, you can try WeatherBot if you want forecasts, or Gamey if you're looking for a popular gaming bot. If your first search brings too many results, add more detail, like WeatherBot City or Currency Converter Bot. Including the word bot in your search often helps Telegram prioritize bot results over channels or groups. As results appear, look for entries with the little robot icon. That icon indicates a bot account. You can also confirm by checking the username. Most bot usernames end with the word bot. Sometimes you'll see a verified checkmark next to well-known or official bots. Be mindful of lookalike names. Channels and groups usually have different icons and don't have bot at the end of the username. A few quick tips to stay safe and find quality bots. Look at the bot's profile description to see what it does, who built it, and whether it sounds legitimate. If you discovered a bot through a trusted website or community, compare the exact username in Telegram with the one listed there. And remember, bots should never ask you for passwords, codes, or sensitive personal information. That's all there is to it. Open Telegram, tap the search bar, type a keyword or bot name, and identify bots by the robot icon and their username. With these basics, you can quickly find the tools and entertainment you need right inside Telegram. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.